Good evening friends, my name is Shantanu. I am here with the new video topic that is iterational statement in Java. Today we are looking to iterational statement. It means what is the iterational statement in Java. Um, take take this aside. Let's get into the iterational statement. Actually, what it means, iterational means a statement that can help us to execute a similar type of code or similar type of statement or set of statements repeatedly. This is the main function of iterational statement. In Java, there are three main iterational statements, that is for, while, and do while. Let's get into this. Basically, for iterational statement is nothing but the for loop. With the for loop, we can execute our code. If the first condition is true, then only it will get executed. It means the iterative statement for loop or for is nothing but the main function of that is you input. If the input and the condition is similar or the equal, if the condition will be true, then only it will get into execution stage. Otherwise it will get into a backend. It means exit initiated from that loop, particularly loop. Secondly, while and do while loop. Actually, for loop and while loop is similar. The main difference is that in for loop or in for statement, iterational statement, you have to initialize, you have to give as a give a condition, and you have to increment or decrement that particular code. But in for loop or but in while loop, we don't have to initialize a particular statement. It means we can give any condition, directly condition to our program, so that it will get execute if the condition will be true. If condition is not going to execute our program. And do while is nothing but the programming statement or iterational statement which include first time output, and after that it will check a condition. So it is the third type of iterational statement. Let's get into the main part, like what they are or why they are used in Java or any other language. Let's assume if we want to execute 10 times print, uh, if we want to execute our name 10 times, what we can do, we will assign a printf printf statement, and it will get print our name. But assume that if we have to enter, if we have to say similar our name by 5,000 times, so we cannot write that much time, that much line of code exactly. So here Java introduced iterational statements. What it means or what exactly it does, the main function that we are doing is we are uh, printing our name same by same time, by same types. But different or difficulty is that we have to enter so many code lines, or we have to enter so many lines of code in our program, so that it will take a more memory, and it will take a more cost to our execution or to our main importance. So the iterational statement will reduce that memory with the help of some set of element or set of statements, which if the condition will true, it will execute. If the condition will not true, it will get into exit stage. So this is the function of iterational statement. Okay. There are some important, or there are some, what we can say, there are some good things with the iterative statements. Is like that, advantages of iterative statement is nothing but the cost efficient. It means it reduce our programming language or programming cost. Secondly, it reduce our time, it reduce our line of code, and it increase problem solving skill. It means if we have any, if we want to do any changes in our iterational statement like for loop, so we don't have to find so many lines of code, or we don't have to get in some deep debugging process. We only want to get the conditional check. If the condition is true, it will get execute automatically. If the condition is not going to true, it will not execute our program. This is the simple and basic function of that iterational statements. And this is from me about the iterational statement topic today. Thank you.